Nikola Tesla, a name synonymous with genius, innovation, and perhaps a touch of madness. He gave us alternating current wireless communication and dreamed of limitless energy. One of his most intriguing inventions remains shrouded in mystery, a machine that could allegedly shake the Earth. Tesla claimed to have built a device capable of harnessing seismic power. This so-called earthquake machine fueled speculation and fear. Could Tesla truly control the Earth's tremors? The idea seemed impossible, even for Tesla. Yet he spoke of the machine with unwavering conviction. Did Tesla create a weapon of unimaginable power, or was it a delusion of brilliance? At the heart of Tesla's earthquake machine was a relatively simple device, the mechanical oscillator. Unlike his more famous electrical inventions, this machine relied on the power of carefully timed vibrations. Imagine a piston moving rapidly back and forth within a cylinder. Now imagine this motion precisely controlled and amplified, generating a specific frequency of vibration. This, in essence, was Tesla's oscillator. The genius of the device lay in its simplicity and scalability. By increasing the size and power of the oscillator, Tesla believed he could generate increasingly powerful vibrations. These vibrations, when tuned to the resonant frequency of a particular object, could have devastating effects. Tesla compared the principle to a singer shattering a glass with their voice. Just as the singer's high note resonates with the glass, causing it to vibrate and eventually shatter, so too could his oscillator on a much larger scale. Legend has it that Tesla, ever the showman, decided to test his earthquake machine in the heart of New York City. The exact details of the experiment remain murky, lost to time and conflicting accounts, but the story, like all good legends, persists. As the story goes, Tesla attached his oscillator to the steel framework of a building under construction. With each pulse of the machine, the building trembled, and the vibrations traveled outward, spreading through the city streets. People reported feeling the ground sway beneath their feet. Windows rattled in their frames, and dishes clattered on shelves. Some claim to have seen buildings shake, their foundations seemingly under assault by an unseen force. The experiment, if it indeed occurred as described, caused quite a stir. Newspapers ran sensationalized accounts painting Tesla as a modern-day Prometheus, wielding the power of the gods. But amidst the hype and hysteria, a fundamental question lingered. Was it truly Tesla's machine that caused the tremors, or was there another explanation? Resonance, when harmony becomes destructive. Tesla's earthquake machine delves into the science of resonance. Resonance, often linked with sound and music, is crucial in physics and engineering. It occurs when a system's natural frequency matches a driving force. Like a child on a swing, a small push at the right moment can amplify motion. Structures like bridges and buildings have natural frequencies. External vibrations matching this frequency increase amplitude. Tesla's oscillator could amplify vibrations to destructive levels. A small, precisely timed energy input could have catastrophic consequences. The question is whether Tesla's machine could cause earthquakes. Tesla's legacy, fact, fiction, and the earthquake machine. The story of Tesla's earthquake machine is a captivating blend of fact and fiction. While there's no concrete evidence of him creating earthquakes, the scientific principles are sound. Tesla's genius lay in perceiving unseen forces and manipulating them. Whether he harnessed resonance to shake the earth is debated. Some dismiss the story as myth, others see some truth. The story reminds us of Tesla's lasting legacy.